let's take a look at how to create and use the CSV data from the website. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a folder somewhere, right click, new, Microsoft Excel worksheet. So if you have something else, you'll need to figure out what the steps are. I'm just going to use Excel. And I'm going to call this A. And I just made a folder called temp war 138, which is the one we're in right now. So I'm going to come to this. I'm going to open this. Just double click. Opens Excel. So I'm going to open a browser. Give me 1 second. We're going to go to wo1 galaxicus.com. And there's a login. Just put in your information. I'm going to go to planetary management. I only have one planet, but if you have more, it'll be across the top here. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is the CSV header file. I'm going to click here, Control A, Control C. We're going to come right here. We're going to Control V. That gives you a control. Use Text Import Wizard. You want delimited. Turn off. Well, we're going to turn on comma. Now, when I turn on comma, you also have to turn off space, finish. And you'll see that puts that in all the rows. From here, you want to go to Home, come to Cells, Format, and then Auto Fit Column Width. And so that'll fit those. Okay. So we're going to go to the next row. We're going to go back to the website. I'm going to click here in Data, Control A, Control C. Come here, Control V. Now you'll do this each time you take a snapshot. Come here, Text Import Wizard, delimited, next, turn off space, turn on comma. Now, if space is turned on, you'll see that the date, time are all mixed up right here. So be sure to turn off space and make sure that this date time is in its own set of lines and just hit finish and you'll see everything comes in. Now, this is a little bit bigger than it should. Just take this one and grow him out just a little bit so he fits properly. Okay. Age of colony in seconds. This is the number of seconds since the beginning of the war. This is your key for everything. So if you want to build graphs or anything, everything should be based off age of colony in seconds. Now that will also let you go between wars. So you can look at the exact colony in seconds and compare this war to that war based off of that value, because you wouldn't be able to do it off of date and time. But the age of colony in seconds, that gives you exactly how old that colony is in seconds since the beginning of the war. Okay, there you go. You can build graphs or anything else from there. Thank you. Bye.